Hello, everybody, and once again, welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the voice of Google Translate on PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the sound of text in Google. So yeah, once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen, which is distinguishable by its logo. So let's tap on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the official page of the sound of text. And now you can see it is asking us to enter a text in here, and you can also see there is a drop down icon in this voice. So once you tap on that or click on that drop down icon, you can see tones of accent and voices over here. So let me first choose any of these. Let's say United Kingdom. And now let me enter a text in here. Let's say, hey there. So finally click on this submit. And once you do that, you need to scroll a little bit down, and you can see there is a play icon, play option. And also you can download it in MP3. So you can choose any of them. So let me play for now.
Hey there.
So now you can see, right? So let's say I want to use the accent of the United States. So let me click on this one, and let's say hey me here again, and let's click on the submit. And now let me play.
Hey there.
Now yeah, you can see this is how you can change the voices of Google Translate on PC. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.